Today I'm making one of my favorites, Heath Bar Apple Dip. It only needs 5 ingredients: low-fat cream cheese, toffee bits, white and brown sugar, and a little bit of vanilla. With the cream cheese, of course, leave it out at room temperature for at least an hour so it softens up. I like to start with just that in my mixing bowl and give it a mix with my hand mixer. Make sure it whips really well and there aren't any cold spots still left in that brick. Once you have that whipped, add the white sugar and the brown sugar plus a little bit of vanilla. This then we mix again with the hand mixer. And just make sure you have those sugars really well dissolved and incorporated into the cream cheese. It'll be a nice smooth mixture. And then once you have that in good shape, I switch to a spatula. Just scrape along the sides and make sure this all looks well mixed, because you need to now add the magic ingredient, which is the toffee bits. Add a whole bag of those toffee bits and then use the spatula to fold them in. I like to scrape along the edge like this and then just fold over. Continue doing that until the toffee bits are completely incorporated into the cream cheese mixture. You can see it gets kind of thick, which is why I find the spatula to be the best way to do this. Once this is all mixed in, all you need to do is cut up an apple or two. Be sure to give it a taste test, and it always passes, by the way. And then just transfer this to a little serving bowl. Arrange your apple slices around it, and then you just almost need to just stand back and let people dig in. I hope you give this a try, because if you do, I know you will love it.